Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to move your HBAR over from a wallet or from an exchange to your Ledger Nano so that you can keep that secure. The first thing we're going to want to do is to go ahead and visit a website called myhbarwallet.com. And what you're going to do is you're going to access my account or create a new one, doesn't matter at this point, and click on the hardware because we're going to use a ledger. You're going to select your ledger. You need to have the Hedera Hashgraph app open, and let's click continue. This will pop up. Select your Nano, hit connect. Take a little bit of time. You may have to see on your ledger that you need to approve this, and then we'll move on to the next piece. Here you'll see that this is you're going to be creating a brand new account. You may think that, oh, I'm going to use my old one that I had things sent to, but that's not going to be the case. You need to create a new account because the public key and the private key are going to be tied to your ledger. So as part of that process, you're going to be receiving a new account ID, and I'll show you what happens if you try your old account D. Let's make sure we're on the mainnet. And I'm going to go ahead and put my old account in. I did this first thing, and it was like, oh, okay, I'll just see if I can tie that to it. And then you'll see continue, and you'll get an error message. Takes a little bit of time. Okay, there you go. So what we really need to do is go ahead and click on No Account ID so that we can create one. And here we will have a QR code that we need to go ahead and scan from an old wallet. First thing you're going to do is log into your old wallet, and this is on my iPad, and I'm going to go ahead and hit the little hamburger menu up at the top that brings to the right, and we're going to create a new account. So this is where you need to start things. If you are using a device that has a camera, you can click on the scan button, little link that's under public key. That will be able to bring your camera up. You'll scan the code that was displayed on the previous step at myhbarwallet.com. If you can't scan it, you can just do a copy paste into the public key. Here I'm putting a note in. Basically, you're sending one HBAR to a new account to establish it. And if you don't have a current HBAR wallet, well, we can cover that later. But we're going to go ahead and you can put a note and click pay, and what that will do is it will send one HBAR to create this account. You'll see your new account number. Go ahead and write that down because we'll go back to the wallet that we were previously working on, put that information in, and establish a connection between your ledger and that wallet. And really, this is the only way to do that. So now you're asking yourself, what happens if I don't have a current HBAR wallet? Well, that is a little bit of an issue. Hopefully you have a friend, or you can contact me, and we can send you, your friend can, one HBAR to establish your wallet. There's not a way to get around that. It's kind of like some of the other wallets that are out there where you need to have one token in place or you can't create the wallet. I'm not sure if there's a program over at Hedera that allows you to kind of get a what they call a faucet. They might drip out a Hedera HBAR or two, but stay till the end. You can get my contact information, or if you know someone or someone in the group, they can just send you an HBAR. And do it now before HBAR gets really pricey, because then you'd be like, whoa, I don't want to send you 25 bucks. We can hope. Actually, let's not wait till the end. Right down at the bottom, you see there's blacklab.net. Go ahead and contact me there because it's not just a simple, hey, send me one HBAR. I'm going to need to get your your public key. Never give your private key away. Your public key or the QR code, and that's really the only way that we'd be able to send an HBAR over to establish an account. So go ahead and visit blacklab.net. Go ahead and contact me, use the contact form or the help form, whichever, and we can start the process there. Now that we have your new account, we can click on I have an account ID, and this will link your ledger to the new wallet that you just created. So now that we've scanned the QR code, we're going to go ahead and click I have an account ID. Once you have that clicked, it will take you to a new page where you can put your newly created account ID. So go ahead and put your account ID in there, and then we will click continue. And this process is marrying your Ledger Nano app to this new account. So your public and private keys in their Ledger will be tied to this new account ID. And there you go. If you found this video helpful, I'd appreciate it if you'd visit blacklab.net and give me a quick hi, or even feel like you can give a donation. Thanks. Have a great day.